Hello, this is part one of how I've used JavaScript and Articulate storyline triggers to enhance my e-lesson. So I'll start with a bit of information about the lesson itself. This is a pick many sort of activity, meaning you can select multiple options, like so. The user must select 4 correct options. There is a bespoke submit button, and the submit button is disabled when the timeline starts, and it only becomes enabled once the user has selected 4 options. So you can submit, and once the user has submitted their selection, they will receive bespoke feedback in relation to each option they selected. So in Articulate Storyline, you will see that I've already added a few things to the stage. There is a header, 8 options, each option in a yellow card. 4 options are correct and 4 are incorrect. If the user clicks on a card, the state of the card changes from normal to selected, and this is indicated to the user by changing the background color of the card from yellow to pink. There's also a submit button, which I designed in keeping with the overall theme of the quiz. The button is currently enabled, but there is no action associated with it. So if we preview this slide, you can see that this is not a quiz question yet. So we can select and deselect a card, make a selection and click on submit. But when we click on submit, nothing happens because there's no action associated with it. So let's close this preview. And to start the process of turning the slide into a quiz question, I converted the slide to freeform pick many. So I'll show you what I did here. So you click on insert and then convert to freeform, and then select the option that you want, which is the pick many option, and then you click OK. I've already done that on the second slide. So I'll move on to that, and in form view, I've entered all of the choices that the user can pick, the 8 rectangles or cards, and I've marked the correct choices as correct here in this column. I've not added any interactivity to the bespoke submit button yet, so when we preview this slide, you will see that the submit button, that is the standard button in the player, is the button that submits the interaction at the moment. So if we make a selection, let's select all the correct options, click on the bespoke submit button, nothing happens, but when we click on the standard button, then we get the feedback that we've selected the correct response. In the next video, I will add functionality to the bespoke submit button that I created, so stay tuned for more tips.